Dimensional embellishments add a lot of interest to your handmade cards. You can add dimension by adding foam adhesive to stamped or paper elements, by creating windows in your cards, or by creating pop-off elements inside your card. Use foam adhesive to add dimension to the front of your cards. Adhesive foam comes in pre-cut square shapes and on a roll of tape. The foam is adhesive on both sides and easy to use. Simply peel off the paper backing and stick to your embellishment. You can even put 2 layers of foam together to get more lift. Adding windows to your card is another great way to add dimension. Cut a shape into the front of your card, line the inside of the window, and then add embellishments and details to the outside. Finally, you can add pop-up elements to the inside of your card for a fun surprise. There are many ways to add pop-up elements, but the easiest is to make a second card as a liner. Cut parallel slits into the center of the card from the fold to make a pop-up tab. The tab should be a little narrower than the element you want to pop up. Open the card and push the tab out. Fold the tab in the opposite direction of the card fold. Glue your pop-up image to the bottom half of the tab and then glue the liner inside your card.